Hello, friends. On behalf of healthinsurancea.com, my name is Sumit Bhandari. I welcome you all. Today, our topic of discussion is why health insurance claims are mainly rejected if your age is more than 50. Look, around 2015, most of the insurance company in India, if your age was anywhere more than 45 or definitely above 50, there was a mandatory health insurance checkup. If you want to take a policy, insurance company was supposed to underwrite it. So the only rightful way is to ask you to undergo a pre-insurance medical checkup. Look, any person whose age is more than 45 these days in 2026, I mean, he or she is not fully aware how healthy a person is. We really don't know what kind of blockages we have. There is some sort of sludge or stone in gallbladder. There is some small stone in kidney, and definitely nowhere we have an idea related to the blockage. It can happen. A heart ailment can happen anytime. So insurance company was rightfully asking for a pre-insurance medical checkup, and they used to identify certain, hidden health risks. Normally, the health checkups they used to do, there was, I would say, a team of very well experienced cardiologists, different kind of experts. Most of them age was more than 60 because I've worked in insurance company. I know it very well. So they used to identify these risks. The best part was it was a win-win situation. So insurance company used to underwrite, either they reject the policy, okay, we cannot give it to you, or they used to put up a waiting period of 4 years as a pre-existing disease. So that is the rightful way to do insurance policy today and definitely in future. And it used to happen in past as well. Now, the problem is now insurance companies are boasting, they are promoting that we are a fantastic company at the age of 60, 70. You can get a medical health insurance policy without any health checkup as if it is a wonderful thing to do. Beware, you have to be extremely cautious. Whenever you are buying a policy, if your age is definitely more than 45, sit with your insurance agent or consultant, or if you are buying from customer care, you have to focus on two things. First of all, be serious. What does it mean? Uh, Definitely, if your age is more than 45, your premium has to be more than 35,000 rupees. It can go to 60, 70,000 also if you are going for a big sum assured, adequate sum assured. And if you are buying a policy of say 25 lakh rupees or 50 lakh rupees and spending around 50,000 rupees, don't consider this decision as if you're buying 35, you're spending 35,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees. Consider it as a serious investment of around 50 lakh rupees. You're not buying a policy, you are, in a way, you're buying a deposit. So at the time of a medical contingency, in a situation where your family needs financial, some sort of benefit or support from insurance company, your claim has to be settled definitely. So it is not a matter of 35,000 of premium. This is a serious matter related to 50,000 of investment in a plot, flat, equity, or any kind of investment you feel like. So be serious about it. Don't take it lightly. Spend around 10 to 20 days discussing with your insurance provider, intermediary, whether it's an agent or you're buying online. Ask him what kind of claim can be rejected and what is the best practice I have to follow if I want to avoid claim rejection. Now, the second thing is, ask your insurance provider to definitely um, like take some sort of medical audit. He should ask you a lot of medical question, and if feasible, go for a pre-insurance medical checkup. If you have to select a policy and there are say 20 companies in India, one of them is saying you will definitely ask you to go for a pre-insurance medical checkup, choose that. That is the most important priority. Insurance is a regulated business. There is a regulator in this business known as IRDI. So it ensures that whichever policy you're buying, the framework of that policy is identical in every company. The way a claim is rejected or it is passed or it is given by the company, the process is identical in every insurance company. The challenge is when you're buying a policy as a novice, as a newcomer in this business, you are not aware of how claims are rejected. Even if you have a policy which is 5 or 10 years old, you can never judge or you can never understand the trade secrets or the dark secrets how a claim can be rejected. Now the AI has come up. Insurance companies are using it to devise new ways how they can legally reject your claim, finding a very small technical reason. And one of the best practices people have been following in like a lot of our clients is go for a pre-insurance medical checkup. When a pre-insurance medical checkup is done by company, that means in a way the goalpost has changed. Ball is in their court now. It is their prime responsibility. They have to take up a call whether to give you policy. And my understanding is if pre-insurance medical checkup is done, the probability of claim rejection is 0.1% only. So this is a small tip or suggestion from my side, depending on my 20 plus experience in this field. If you go for a pre-insurance medical checkup, I mean, don't worry about the company name. Definitely, it is the best practice which you can follow. It is a win-win situation. And if you want to know more, you can mail us at healthinsurancesahi at gmail.com, or you can visit our website healthinsurancesahi.com to know more. Or if you need personal unbiased suggestion, you can drop a WhatsApp message at 7015143936. Any recommendation, any feedback, or if there is a small bit of appreciation, you can drop a message in this comment section. And we have around 300 plus videos for members as well as open audience in our Hindi channel. You can visit there, enlighten yourself. And if at any point of time, if you have any suggestion, I welcome you. Right? Thanks for watching this video. And if you like our concept, kindly subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching again. Jai Jai Shri Radhe.